Okay. Wow, that barely even fits in frame. Yep. Well, let's get this bad boy open. So there we go. We have a mysterious blank box with just the Amazon logo. Let's get this one open. Oh, I see it in there. Can I? I'm trying not to cut the desk here. There she blows. Okay. Now how do we go about getting this out? Wow. There we go. So, the 2018 Echo Show Gen 2 is here, featuring all of these things. You also get 6 months of Amazon Music Unlimited with every purchase. So that's pretty cool. Let's get this open, shall we? There we go. Dude, this thing is way bigger than I expected. There we go. Wow, we don't even need scissors for this. Get ready for this, guys. Look right here. We got a little tab right here. Wow. That was like top 10 most satisfying unboxings for me. Wow, we even have a little handle right here to pull it out. Oh, I forgot I got the white one. That's sick. I'm so glad I did that. So let's take a look at the main thing first before we get inside. So that's kind of cool. I like that a lot. I like the logo. That's good packaging. Oh wow, that's actually genius. Check this out. This was in a slot right back here. Dude, someone really spent a lot of time thinking about this. Throw the instructions away. I don't look at instructions. I didn't get to where I am today by reading instructions, ladies and gentlemen. Let's crack this bad boy open. Dude, this is clean AF, dude. That's so clean. 4 microphones across the top right there. Same with this fabric-y stuff. It actually feels very high quality. Is it weird that I want a screen protector for it? Yes. Whoa! Oh. Appears I've given myself a paper cut. Look inside the box here. So we have a proprietary power cord, and that's it. So let me get this all plugged in, and then we'll go from there. This is a 30-watt charger. Interesting. Run this bad boy around the back there. There we go. Grab the Echo Show. And let me get that on camera. Plug it in. You can also use maybe you can charge something off of it with USB, micro USB. And it's already booting up.
Hello. Ready for setup?
Yes. We're going to connect to this for now. It should already be registered to me. Yep. I love how Amazon does that. Oh, that's already correct. Okay. Huh, I don't know. We'll skip that for now. It's a good name. This is going to take probably forever. This could take
Updating
10
this
minutes.
device.
Oh, it's already 20% done. Oh, it's downloading. So I guess we'll be back when this is done. This thing has literally been updating for 20 minutes. I'm so bored. But it's been optimizing as well. And I think it just finished. It's been doing that for a long time. I'm wasting storage space here videotaping this nonsense. I think it's almost done. Come on. Come on.
I'm back. Let's continue.
Great. Thanks. I'm going to try not to say the A word in case anyone else has one of those. I guess we'll watch this.
Welcome to your new
Wow.
Echo Show.
That's loud.
It's
Holy.
everything you love about Alexa, and she can show you things. Start by saying the wake word, Alexa. You'll know she's ready when a blue indicator appears on the screen. Use your voice to watch videos and live TV. Control compatible smart home devices and cameras. Make video calls to another Echo device with a screen. And even cook along with Alexa. Alexa, find muffin recipes. Ready for some music? Ask Alexa to play a song, artist, or genre. Alexa, play songs by August Green.
Shuffling songs by August Green.
Whoa. The bass is insane.
Watch live or
You can see my
on-demand TV
camera
movies
vibrating.
from Prime Video,
Oh my gosh.
NBC, or Hulu. To start a show, say,
That's
Alexa,
sick.
play the Grand Tour.
Playing the Grand Tour.
That's not the Grand Tour.
With a built-in smart home hub, setting up and controlling compatible home devices like light bulbs and smart plugs is as simple as just asking. Or with compatible cameras,
Okay, I guess
ask
we'll
Alexa
finish
to
this.
show the baby's room or see who's at the front door. Alexa, show me the front door camera.
Hey, it's an
Alexa
Amazon
is
delivery man.
always getting smarter with tens of thousands of skills available.
Hey, I
Skills are
make
like
those.
apps. Use them to find recipes, play games, and more. Find your favorites by saying, Alexa, show me skills. And to customize your home screen, change your background to a personal photo, show sports scores, or change Wi-Fi. Simply swipe down from the top to access settings. To discover even more
Okay, I can't do
things
that
to
right
try,
now.
just ask, Alexa, what can you do? Welcome to your Echo Show.
Wow, I feel so welcomed, guys. That was... I'm not going to do the 30-day trial. Are we lagging right now?
This device is ready.
All right. Let's get the brightness all the way up. That, honestly, maybe it's just because I have lights on, but it seems like it'd be brighter. Let's hop into settings here. Let's check out the home screen, background. Oh, you can upload photos from your app. That's cool. Home content. Interesting. Anyway, let me just see if there's anything else cool we can do here. No. That's pretty much it. That's the Echo Show. You can kind of swipe through here to access other stuff. Then you can mute. And you can control the volume with these. And then everything else is a swipe down from here. That's pretty cool that they have the Do Not Disturb there. I like that a lot. Ooh. So when you toggle that, it goes into like nighttime mode. Because I'm going to be keeping this right here next to my bed, so that's pretty interesting. Anyway, that's going to do it for the Echo Show. Second generation. It also like doesn't move at all. Like it's really hard to push it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.